Have you ever wondered why cars in Finland cost so much more than in other countries and what you're really paying for when you buy one? Today, we're breaking down all the taxes involved, showing how they affect the price of buying and owning a car in Finland, and uncovering the hidden costs that could surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much a car really costs in Finland and why driving here isn't cheap. First up, the car tax, or autovero, is the main reason cars are expensive in Finland, especially imported cars. This tax is paid when you buy a new or imported car, and it's calculated based on three key things: the car's price, its age, if imported, and most importantly, its carbon dioxide emissions. Here's an example. A car emitting 120 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer might cost you around 3,000 euros in tax, while the same model emitting 200 grams per kilometer could add over 10,000 euros to the price tag. That's a huge difference. Finland does this to encourage eco-friendly cars, discourage high-emission vehicles, and raise government revenue. This is why many Finns look at hybrids or electric cars. Even if the sticker price is higher, the autovero can be much lower. Once you own a car, the costs don't stop. Finland also charges a vehicle tax every year, which is calculated based on your car type, weight, and again, its CO2 emissions. For example, a small city car might cost around 200 to 300 euros per year, while an SUV can be 400 to 600 euros in vehicle taxes, depending on its emissions. Electric cars usually pay slightly less. So even if you bought your car cheaply, the annual vehicle tax adds up quickly, something many expats forget when budgeting for driving in Finland. Now, the fuel taxes, a major hidden cost. In Finland, a huge portion of what you pay for petrol or diesel is tax. Roughly 60% of petrol prices and 50% of diesel prices are taxes. So, if petrol costs 2 euros per liter, 1 euro and 20 cents of that is tax. These taxes go toward roads, infrastructure, and public transport, but for drivers, it's a daily reminder that nothing in Finland comes cheap. Electric cars are treated differently, and this can save you money in the long run. The autovero is much lower thanks to low emissions. Vehicle tax is usually lower than petrol or diesel cars, and fuel costs are much cheaper because electricity is cheaper per kilometer than petrol. This is why electric and hybrid cars are growing in popularity in Finland. There are a few more surprises many people forget. Insurance is mandatory. Registration fees must be paid when registering a car. Parking fees are common, especially in cities like Helsinki. Maintenance, especially for imported cars, can be expensive. Combine these with all the taxes, and you start to see why Finns joke about driving being a luxury. The Finnish government defends these high taxes for several reasons. They protect the environment because CO2-based autovero encourages cleaner cars. They fund roads, public transport, and infrastructure. If you want to save money, there are legal ways to reduce costs. Choose low-emission vehicles, lower autovero and vehicle tax. Consider electric or hybrid cars and save on fuel and taxes. Buy used cars carefully. Older cars may have lower autovero, but higher maintenance. Compare cities. Some municipalities have small differences in registration or parking fees. Finland's autovero is among the highest in Europe, especially for imported cars. Countries like Germany or Sweden have lower CO2-based taxes, so even buying abroad and importing your car might not save you as much as you think. So it's crucial to plan your car purchase carefully, taking all taxes into account. Summarizing it all, autovero is the main reason cars are expensive. Vehicle tax and fuel tax add significant ongoing costs. Electric cars can save money in the long run. Hidden costs like insurance, parking, and maintenance may stack up. Understanding all these taxes will help you plan smarter when buying a car. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.